Hey, I'm TC.
And I'm Brenna.
And this is Genteel Bard.
We're Savannah's only artisan walking tour company.
Genteel Bard is a very unique personal experience, meaning that we are the only walking tour company in which our guests receive earbuds and radios. Myself as the live guide, I carry around a cordless microphone that works up to 200 feet. And so you as the guests will be hearing music, as well as actors who have voiced over speeches, letters, sharing a personal experience of the stories of Savannah.
The only way to truly see and appreciate the city of Savannah is on foot, and we really believe that. It's the only way to catch the little nuances of what makes the city what it is, and to really appreciate the details and the history behind this beautiful place. On our tour, you'll see iconic locations like Colonial Park Cemetery, the Green-Meldrim House, the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist, and many, many more.
And each and every single home, every single building, every single square has a story that will be connected to you. We are a family-owned and operated company, and we are locals to the historic district.
To be able to sort of center our everyday lives around those stories and celebrate those stories and share those stories with you is a dream come true.
And it's not a job for us, it's a privilege. We're TC and Brenna.
And this is Genteel Bard.